I don't know. Hi, my name is Andrea Chen, and I live in Mandaluyong, Philippines with my mommy and daddy, and my yaya, and who else do you live here with? And daddy. And these are my feet. Look, her feet are dirty. Dirty feet. And my tiny hands. You see? And show them your hands. Where's your hand? There's her hand. Say hi. Andy.
Ay, kararating lang.
Andy, pretty Andy.
Sumabay kami kay Misty hanggang Makati.
Hi, my name is Andrea.
It's okay.
Andy?
Busog pa kami.
No diaper.
Oo.
Show them your feet. Show them your feet. Where's your feet? These are your feet.
Hindi ko pa alam. Meron kami seminar. Sa Marikina din.
Your feet.
Ganda ako.
Tip. Where's your tip? Show them your teeth. Your teeth.
Iiwanan.
There's your teeth. Your teeth are fat. Your teeth. Show them your teeth. There's your teeth. Tongue.
Where's your tongue? Ito, magkalaro sila.
Tongue.
Nasa camera pa si Andy mo.
Show them your tongue. Where's your tongue? Show them your tongue. Look.
Walang problema doon. Alam mo naman ako eh.
Your tongue. Where's your tongue?
Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Ano sabi ni Ate Tess?
My feet.
Yung papa yung tingnan.
Initan ako.
Yung nakakain po kayo ng breakfast.
Oo naman.
Doon ka na lang.
Naguguna ako. Nainitan ako. Wag na. Sayang ako.
Sabi ko sana uulan naman kasi sobrang init.
Baby Andy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sino bye-bye?
Say bye, Andy.
Bye, Andy.